I want to right every wrong.
Together as one, we can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong.
Together as one, we can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong. And together as one, we all can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong.
Together as one, we can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong, and together as one, we can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong.
And together as one, we can right every wrong.
I want to right every wrong. Together as one, we can right every wrong.
Hi, I'm Tavleen Mendirata and I'm a Rex Karamveer Global Fellow.
I'm Dr. Meetu Khurana and I'm a Rex Fellow.
Hi, I'm Deepika Narayan Bhardwaj. I'm a Rex Fellow.
My name is Ishita Katyal. I am a Rex Fellow.
We open the mic now. The next session is an open mic session where we shall have several speakers. These are not the chosen speakers, but speakers will come and discuss their ideas of action. My brief people is keep it brief and keep it within 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes, yeah? Okay, thank you.
A very good afternoon to you all. I'm so happy to be here. Half of the speech or inspiration is done by Nipun just now. The rest of the thing I would like to say in a song that I believe in. It's a lot, 18 surgeries, and this voice that you have heard is lost as a child, and it's a blessing. It's a charity. It's a collaboration of my parents who has given me the best of the best education, empowerment, and inclusion from the day one. I have classmates who have lifted me from class to class. So it is about that what we represent, what we can really do if we really want to do. So with this 90% disability, this is 20th year of social work for me. I have completed 20 years as a social worker. My work, because I am a very selfish person, I am not here for inspiration. I am not here to give anything, but I am here to ask for help. That because nature doesn't discriminate. Nothing, human nature doesn't discriminate. It is the mid-level ideas or education, opportunities, and some people having, some are not having or exposed to that kind of thing that makes people a different kind of altogether. So we are working in 4 focused areas: mobility, accessibility, employability and sustainability of persons with disabilities, and another thing, persons below poverty, underprivileged children. We have under our care 350 underprivileged children, and we are working in interior tribal hamlets of Andhra Pradesh that are covering 50 tribal hamlets, and every volunteer, they just, if I can't go, they just take me, they make sure that as a team head, because it is their way of giving that, madam, you are giving your intellect, so we are giving our small support. With this, I am a chartered accountant and lawyer myself. I know relationship problems of persons with disabilities. So here I ask you one thing. Let us collaborate. Anything you wish to do in the rural and tribal areas of Andhra Pradesh, be it solar lighting, sanitation, other works along with the government, with NGOs or with any like-minded individuals, because I teach supply chain management in University of Wisconsin. So anything, if you wish to collaborate, please, you can reach me. And with this, I'm just borrowing a half a minute so that my partner, husband, Prajnanand will explain half a minute about the work.
Hello everybody. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Just I would like to say one word which I liked. When I joined Indian Institute of Forest Management, the course was too different, and there our director brought the then Chief Commissioner, Election Commissioner, who was straightforward, who started looking from a different angle, and I see him today using another word for social entrepreneurship. Now I request him, nothing more, he has started a global ability times in Telugu. Now we were thinking like what should we do with the English version? I asked him to pull it out, not traditionally just releasing, but pull this out and just start this English version of Global Times.
Years ago, we had no watch, but we had time. Today, we have a watch, but we have no time. That's what we also used to say, that giving of this time is the most valuable gift we can ever give. I started my career as a volunteer 22 years back, and I never worked again anywhere. It was only volunteerism. So that's what many times I used to say. It's very difficult because I was working mainly in the suicide sector of the persons who have already been drowned in this thing. To take out that body out, you need some expertise. As a volunteer, I had this experience when I was working on Orissa floods, because it's very difficult to take out a body from the lake and then bring it out, because the way that the police comes, he has not been trained to take this body. So we have to have this to take it out, and then a photograph has to be taken. For that, a photographer has to come, and then all these formalities, the police harass the maximum. So that is why I played the role in coordinating with that and volunteering until the cremation is done. So like that, it passed on. So that's why always I feel volunteer was all my life until I was recognized on the 2011 when I won the National Award for the volunteerism. That's the first time I came. The first time really I got so emotional, and I got that recognition something, because It's my privilege, and you all can, volunteerism is becoming now total professionalism. It has to be done. So with this, I thank, because it's going to be a very short vacuum because lots of things are there. I always have been a great fan of Rajesh Khanna, so I wanted to end this dialogue with him. ये शौहरते, ये मोहब्बतें, ये चाहते कभी रहा नहीं, जिस मंच में जो आज खड़ा हूँ, कल कोई और था और कल कोई और होगा, वो भी एक दौर है और ये भी एक दौर है. Thank you very much.
We'll have one more speaker, Nikita Jain, in the open mic. Nikita, can you please come up on stage, please?
Hi, my name is Nikita, and I'm an economics student, and I'm going to be speaking about child labor. There's a quote by Mahatma Gandhi that says, there are people in the world so poor that God can only appear to them in the form of bread. Hard-hitting, right? Now imagine these people as children. I don't believe in God, but what I do believe in is mankind. And I believe the test of our progress is not if we can add to the abundance of those who have much. It's if we can provide to those who have too little. And of all the absurd assumptions of humanity or morality, nothing exceeds those that the criticism made on the habits of the poor by the well-fed, well-fed, and well-born. No parents wants to see the child work, whether rich or poor. But the reason family engage in child labor is because they're stricken so hard by the economic imbalance that they led to desperation. Child laborers come from family what many refer to as vulnerable employed, stating that they're right on the cusp of poverty and any change in their family income would push them over the edge, which is why such practices are in regions like Sub-Saharan Africa, Bangladesh, India, where the family structure is such that it increases the pressure. It's the economic crisis that gives birth to child labor and not unavailability of free education, as it is most commonly and wrongfully perceived. It's a very forbidding thing to say that child labor be legal. A lot of people will argue that every child deserves the right to friends, the right to play, the right to childhood. But my question is, does not very child also deserve the right to 3 meals a day, a warm bed at night, a family? Child labor is not a taboo. A child working is not a taboo. The exploitation of them is a taboo. Children in America and Europe start working as soon as the age of 13, who more often than not come from affluent families. Why is that not considered child labor? Is it because it's a choice they're making which is not born out of necessity? No, it's because there's no exploitation. Instead of making big judgments and problems and not even grasp the concept of and making a bigger fool out of ourselves, let's understand the problem first. Let us be the voice of reason till they can find their own. What a very existence